Hi, my name is Roxanne, and I'm a general virtual assistant and social media support specialist from the Philippines. My professional background is in sales. I worked as sales executive for almost 5 years at car dealerships, and in my previous role, I gained valuable experience in communication, organization, problem solving, and working with people. Recently, I transitioned into freelancing and I invested in learning virtual assistant, social media marketing, and these other digital skills at Blogging Mary Group mentorship program. During my internship, I learned how to make lead generation, calendar scheduling, email management, data entry, organizing file, and some social media support tasks. I am proficient in using tools such as Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, ChatGPT or Claude for drafting, and Canva for quick graphic design. While I'm new to the freelance industry, the skills I've developed throughout my career are highly transferable, and I am continuously learning to ensure I can deliver quality work and to provide reliable support to clients. I'm dedicated and reliable. I enjoy learning new systems. I can adapt quickly and I love finding ways to make process more efficient. My goal is to help busy entrepreneur and business owner to focus on growing their business while handle the day-to-day behind the scenes. And during my free time, I enjoy bonding with my family and sometimes I learn new things online to improve my skills. Thank you.